Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to enable or create a Wi-Fi hotspot on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to proceed at the button search bar and type for settings. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match should appear, and once it's here, please click on the open to continue. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way or manner you would be able to bring up the settings. Now here at the settings, please proceed at the left side of that where you can see a list of the option, proceed with network and internet. And under the network and internet, you would be able to see an option called mobile hotspot. All you need to do is you need to tap the net so that you would be redirected to this mobile hotspot. So in order to create a mobile hotspot, all you need to do is you need to click on this edit. Okay, click on it, and here you can modify your network name. So let's say, for example, you'd like to set it into Anne in my case, and you can type your network password at least 8 characters. So I would recommend you to go with numbers as well as letters or special characters in order to strengthen your password. Okay, so in my case, I'll be using at an 123 $ Okay, again, let me just type that 123 $ Okay, once you have set it, you can now click on saved, and there you have that. You have just successfully enabled the mobile hotspot. All you need to do is you need to turn on this one. Okay, and in that way you would be able to enable that. Okay, close the window. Okay, and navigate to your taskbar, you would be able to see an icon which contains your Wi-Fi icon, the speaker icon, and the battery icon. Please click on it and turn this on. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.